Welcome to your dream home in the heart of Surprise, Arizona, nestled in the desirable Ashton Ranch neighborhood. This charming gem offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a versatile den, perfect for a home office or extra guest space. Situated on a spacious corner lot with ideal north-south exposure, this home boasts a functional layout, granite countertops, and tile floors in the main living areas for easy maintenance. Rest easy knowing the major updates are done. A brand new roof in 2023 and new AC unit in 2022 means you can move in with confidence. This home is part of the top-rated Dysart School District and just minutes from shopping, dining, and freeway access. Enjoy the community perks of Ashton Ranch, including pools, walking paths, and playgrounds. The RV gate adds a touch of convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to own a home priced below $350,000. Schedule your tour today and make Ashton Ranch your new address.